And good morning, guys. I, Sehzad Arsi, welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Sehzad Arsi YouTube channel. Right? So, this video is all about selling because I have made this video for the purpose of selling some of my top level domains that I have acquired for my blogging journey for my business over the past couple of years. And let me tell you guys, and these all domains that I have listed for sale is more than 2+ years. Some domains are 3 years old, some are more than 2+ years in the age that I have acquired this domain. And the domains that I've listed for sale, these all domains are the top level domains, and I will show you the proof. So why I'm making this video and why I'm offering you that some top level domains are for sale. Let me be honest with you guys. I'm making this video because whenever you are in need of money, then you have to sell your uh, essential commodity or precious uh, commodity that you have, that you own, either in the shape of land, real estate, or any online business or any startup that you acquire that you want to sell whenever you are in need of money. And for me, I've acquired some precious domain that you will find in the next slide. These are some precious domain that I have bought, and these domain that I have listed for sale that have taken weeks of research, and then I have bought this domain from GoDaddy. And at present I am listing these 9 domains for sale. Either you can buy all or you can buy any of your choice. Okay, guys, let me come to the first domain, awardfunction.com. Awardfunction.com, you can Google it. Either you can check it on the Google Keyword Planner, Google Auto Suggest, or any paid tool or free tool that you want to check. Award function is an highly searched term in Google, and it can be very lucrative domain if you want to build a website on award show or anything related to award. Then award function will be a good bet for you. Okay, guys, let me come to the next domain. It is Cricket Score Today. Guys, Cricket Score Today is a highly searched term on Google, and you can Google it. And if you are some passionate cricket fans, then you understand the value of Cricket Score Today. I bought this domain in 2017, and I have already built a website. I am written some post, and I am started getting some interaction on this post. And if you want to buy this domain, you can buy it either from GoDaddy, and you can check it. Cricket Score Today I have typed by default, and before making this presentation, and it is listed for sale in GoDaddy, and you can grab it from either GoDaddy. Then if you don't want to buy from GoDaddy, then you can buy it from Sido, and the last one in the list, you can buy it from Dan.com. These three are the major platform that I've listed this domain for sale. You can buy it from GoDaddy, Sido, or Dan.com, whichever you prefer to buy the domain, whichever platform you buy the domain from. Cricket Score Today must be will be a good bet if you buy, if you want to acquire, if you are passionate cricket fan, then you can buy this cricketscoretoday.com. Okay, Dahiya Films and ETV Jabardast, the third and fourth in the list, are the famous YouTuber channel who have the famous YouTube channel. You can YouTube, you can search on the YouTube search bar dahiyafilms.com and etvjabardast.com. They are famous YouTube channel, but they haven't booked this domain. So I booked this domain in 2017. It's more than 3+ years, I guess 3 years old domain, and you can buy it either both. You, if you want to resell it to the owner of the YouTube channel someday or later, then you can resell them, or you can build your own brand on dahiyafilms.com, etvjabardast.com. Okay, Seeking.com is my number one website, means the first website, first blog that I've started on the health niche. Seeking was my first blog, and I have published more than 40+ posts on this Seeking.com. and started publishing post from 2018, and it is getting lots of interaction. And you can buy this website, I must say, from GoDaddy, Sido, or Sizzle, or Den.com. Right? Sizzle in the list is some lucrative domain. Okay, you can check in the Sido.com that I've typed Sizzle, and it is getting 24 traffic. I have listed this domain a week ago, and it is started getting some traffic, and I'm hopeful that I will be able to sell this domain very soon. So if you want to buy this, you can grab it from any of the three platforms that I've told you. Okay, teleconference system is the domain which among the list is getting this domain, teleconference system. If you type on the Google keyword planner or any paid tool, you will find teleconference system gets the highest CPC. I guess its CPC is 10 or $12 per search USD, 10 or 12 USD per search. You can buy it teleconferencesystem.com directly, and it will be a very good bet for you if you are looking to build if you are looking for CPC, high CPC domain, then teleconference system will be a good bet for you. And if you are planning to build a blogging site, then Vision Blogging is something that I acquired in 2018, I guess. That this domain visionblogging.com or .in, you can buy it and you can build your blogging journey, and it will be a very good lucrative domain, very highly attractive domain. Vision Blogging. Okay, you can buy this domain, you can buy any of this domain, whichever you prefer, guys. That's it for this video, guys. I'm in need of money. Let me be honest, I'm in serious need of money, so I've listed this domain for sale. So if you want to buy any of the domain, for your business, for your startup, for your blogging, for any purpose, for your micro niche website, then you can buy it from GoDaddy, Sido, or Dan.com. And if you have got any question, guys, feel free to email me on dmsezadarsi@gmail.com, and I will leave the email link um, in the description of this YouTube video, and you will contact me from there. Okay, guys, so if you find this video, please like this video, guys. Your like boost us and gives motivation to us. And please, guys, I am asking for your favor, please share it with your community and spread this video so that I'm able to sell any of this domain, so that I'm in serious need of money, guys. I can't tell you the reason, but it's some emergency situation for me, guys. So I am making this video, and I urge you guys, please, if you love me, please share this video in your community, guys. I'm in serious need for humanity, purpose. Please share this video in your community, guys. I'm in serious need of money, and I want to sell any of this or all of this domain. Please spread, whoever needs this domain will buy. Okay, whoever find this domains helpful will buy. That's it for this video, guys. And please subscribe my YouTube channel, guys, so that I feel motivated and publish more useful content um, for you in the future. That's it for this, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.